Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome to the Microsoft Forms course. I'm Della, designer and digital marketer with 10 years of experience in teaching skills. Today, I want to teach you a practical tool from Microsoft 365. Through this tool, you can create all kinds of forms that you need. You can create a customer satisfaction form and provide it to customers to fill out and use its results. Or create a satisfaction form from the site, or a small test, employment form, or any registration form you need. You can make a questionnaire for your scientific research, or you can use it to make an invitation, or you can use it to create a psychological test or any other form you need. If you create your forms and quizzes with Microsoft Forms, you can save time because you no longer need to enter each form into analysis software. You can easily get an Excel output and enter all the results into any analysis software you like. Additionally, artificial intelligence can help you use smarter questions and improve your work's prestige. So you're one step ahead of your competitors and colleagues. Isn't it enjoyable? When we want to create a new form, we generally give you a series of instructions. First, we tell you that there are several types of questions, each of which has several options. Then we tell you how you can change the style and format of your form, explain how you can access the answers, and finally tell you how you can share the form you created with others or send it to a specific person. We are going to design the form using artificial intelligence. But before we get into the design, we explain a multi-purpose chatbot and how to use it to design these 3 forms one by one. The first form is a customer satisfaction survey. The second one is a job application form. And the third one is an employee performance evaluation form. I must add that Microsoft Forms is web-based, meaning there is no downloadable or installable version for mobile or PC. So to use it, you must definitely go to theoffice.com website.